And then lastly, question from a audience member. Ben said, I have cash to invest in a 529. That's a college savings plan for kids. With everything going on right now, when's the best time to invest it? Yeah, I mean, if I knew that, I probably wouldn't be doing this podcast, be managing billionaire hedge funds. But since we don't know exactly when the best time to invest it, right? The way that we think about this kind of framework that we would use is, hey, market's been going up and down, right? It's kind of going down. We think, it might keep going down, which like, well, hey, do we invest it now or do we wait? And because if it goes down, we can buy even lower, right? And then we can ride that back up, right? So it might do this. It might also do this. And then if we didn't do it here, at some point we're going to have to invest it, and now we're going to have to invest it here instead of here, and then we missed out, right? So that's kind of what they're asking. Hey, do we wait for a bigger dip, or do we just pull the trigger now? Generally, the best time to invest is when you have the money, and the best time to pull out is when you need the money. I mean, obviously, you want a red and a blue bucket, equity and fixed income, so you can pull it out from the right place. And so if you have money, you should probably just throw it in there, and then you just don't have to worry about it. If you are trying to be more tactical, then one thing you could do is you could say, well, hey, we are waiting for X threshold to invest it in. So you want to identify two things, right? Hey, at some point, I'm for sure going to invest it, right? And so we kind of hit minus 10% down for a hot second there. And so maybe you say, well, hey, at minus 15, I'm going to invest it. And even though it might hit minus 20 later, I don't care. I still invested it here. That's a great return. Whether it does this before it comes out or this before it comes back, either way, I invested it here. And even when the market comes back to an all-time high, I made a great return there. Awesome. But the other thing you need to identify is not just where you're going to invest it as it's going down, but you need to identify, well, and as it comes back up, I'm for sure going to invest it by Y, right? And it might be back at an all-time high. It might be, 5% down, whatever else. But you need to have both things. It's the same thing of trying to get out of the market. If you're trying to time the market and you're getting out, you also need to time when you're getting back in, which is really difficult to do. So in this case, when you have new cash, you're trying to put it in, you need to identify, well, hey, at what low point will I put it in? I need to stick to that. And if it never gets that low and it starts going back up, at what recovery point will I put it in on the way up? So you identify those two things and then stick to the plan. So that's kind of how I would frame new money going in. And obviously, if you are the kind of person who has pulled all your money out based on what you think might happen, that's a really bad idea. And we cover that in here. So hopefully that's helpful to you.